Complete the pattern. 8 times what equals 16? 8 times what equals 160? And so on and so forth. Well, it looks like these numbers are very, very, very similar, and all of these numbers are 8. So there is definitely a pattern going on here. So let's start out with the top. 8 times what is 16? 8 times 2 is 16. Now the next number down is 8 times what is 160. Now the only difference between 16 and 160 is this 0 attached at the end. That means it's being multiplied by 10. So basically, 8 times what times 10 is going to be 160? Well, 8 times 2 times 10. So really, all you do is attach a 0. So it looks like the pattern is every time I attach a 0 to the right of this, I attach the same amount of zeros. So 8 times what is 1,600? 8 times 200, because it has 2 zeros, and so do you. So 3 zeros, let's draw a 2 with 3 zeros, and that's 2,000. Let's draw a 2 with 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, that's 20,000. So the next one will have 5 zeros to be 200,000, and the next one will be 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, comma, comma. So 8 times 2 million is 16 million. Makes sense. 8 times 200,000 is 1,600,000. Now, of course, we wouldn't say it that way, 1,600, but you get the idea, and that's how we complete the pattern.